So on the 18th of February 2026, somebody posted, an old lady posted on Facebook and said, listen, there's a Egyptian goose that got fish line tangled around its feet and it was struggling to walk. I went out 3 times to go and see if I can catch the bird. Each time I got blanked, and then in the end some fishermen caught it. Why this happens is a lot of times people go fishing. Fishing gut is very, very, very destructive. Animals get tangled in it all the time. I see this more often than not. This goose had extreme abrasions where it was cut quite deep. We at one point thought it's gonna lose its legs because the fishing line cut so deep into it. Ek wil net vir die tannies baie dankie sê vir die moeite gedoen het om op Facebook in die eerste plek te sit. Baie mense het my getag. Dit was 3 keer uit, kon hom nie vang nie. Toe die tannies hom op jou in 'n pors toe gevat. So jy kan moet sien die voete het mooi reg gekom. Hulle was verskriklik beskadig gewees en seer. Ons het amper op 'n tyd gedink dat hy gaan sy voete verloor. Ons moes allerhande operasies doen dat hy sy bene weer kon terugbuig. So jy kan sien daar is sy vrou met die kinders, sy wil wag vir hom, so laat ons hom maar laat gaan. If you go fishing or go camping or go anywhere in the outdoors, take all your rubbish. If you go home, please take it with you. Don't just leave it there because our endemic fauna and flora get entangled in it all the time. Big thank you to Waldo from Morvet and to Renee Jordan from Griffin Wildlife Rehabilitation. Without you guys, this wouldn't have been able to happen.